war against the forces of evil. Thrilling adventure, intense excitement, pounding action, and spine-tingling mystery.
What a spectacular performance from Chad Fortune. And now, you know what's coming next? It's another day at the office as he emerges from the truck for the pose. It's Chad Fortune and Superman.
Scott, what are you and Chad doing in my truck? What? I don't know what the pose? Come on, guys.
You know, it's everyday life here at Monster Jam, but you never want to turn down an autograph.
Thank you.
Stand back, miss. This could be dangerous. Here at Monster Jam, you always got to be willing to help a lady in distress. Stand back, ma'am. You might get dangerous. Hi, this is Superman. How can I help?
Hello? Hello? Just hung up with the guy.
Well, I can help. You know, it's just not easy being super.
Hey Chad, you want to get out of the way? I gotta load the trailers for World Finals.
Ah, another set-aside citizen.
You know, the life of a Monster Jam superstar is pretty tough. Our work is never done. Chad, really? In the bathroom?
It's not easy being a superhero.